The main feature of Figma is to help to design nice interfaces, build prototypes, test them out, and the big selling point is the online collaboration. We can invite other team members and we can work on the same project, we can comment on it and all that stuff. But people really love that aspect of collaboration, so they start using Figma not for designing interfaces, but just to use it as the whiteboard. And because of that, they give us the native fake jam boards. And recently, people have been using Figma as some kind of presentation software. They make different frames and use them as slides, present directly in Figma. That's why now we're getting a new feature called slide deck. So there will be a native Figma element for making presentation slideshow, just like PowerPoint. As you can see, it's already available right now. It's in the beta, so let's check out, let's learn how we can create slideshows in Figma. When you launch this kind of project, they will show you some themes, some templates, so you don't need to start from scratch. We can select this one. We can preview it first. We can just add one slide if you like, or you can add all of them. And if I decide to load the whole theme, I will have all of the slides here that I can populate with my content. It's rather simple. We got text boxes just like in Figma that we can double tap and type inside. On the right side, we can adjust the design aspect, so we can change the color, opacity, all of that stuff. If you need to create a new slide, you can click here, new slide on the left, and again you will see the themes that you loaded here, so you can kind of add the same slide again and customize it. Or you can click this plus to add a blank slide. This is completely empty one. You can still modify the backdrop for this kind of slide on the right side here. There are options for adding animations, so go to animate and you can add a push animation between slides. This way you will have those transitions. You can apply this to all slides. You may notice there is a tool panel here at the bottom this time, when we can add more text. We can insert image. We can draw shapes. And again, you can double tap on the shape to add text and you can customize it in the design panel. You can change the color easily. There's also the whole color wheel here. Alright, what else here? We can add table, that's useful element. Then there is something else like live interaction, when we can actually add stamps, polls, prototype elements for testing and alignments. So people that you are presenting to can interact during the slideshow, and that's something that will kind of make this stand out comparing to Google Slides or PowerPoint. Alright. So this strong collaboration element is still here. So we can add polls like that, and when you're presenting, people can like clicking on it and kind of interact with you. So that's really nice. We're doing this natively here in Figma without any extensions. And finally, after your slideshow is ready, you can click here, share. When you can invite people to your slideshow or generate the link that you can share in other ways. All right. And here it is, the play button that you wanna click to present with notes or just the presentation itself. It will take you to a new tab in your browser because all of that is running in the browser. You don't need to install any software. Take a look, you see, I just click on the interactive element and it says my name. And I can move forward by clicking on the slide. I can use arrows to go back and forward as well. And as you can see, I got this push animation I set up earlier. I think it's a great and very light and easy to use slideshow software with those interactive features. That's the very important element here. I hope this short introduction was helpful. I will see you in the next one. I will make an update video when they fully release this. Right now it's just a beta test.